Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to study calculus for JEE. Begin by reviewing algebra and trigonometry fundamentals, then learn limits intuitively with graphs. Tackle derivatives next, focusing on rules and simple applications. Practice by solving varied problems and mimic exam timing. Use short reviews each day to retain techniques and errors, and steadily increase problem difficulty to build speed and confidence. In this video, I will explain how to study calculus for JEE. Focus on core concepts, limits, derivatives, and integrals, and how they connect. Build intuition with graphs and small proofs, then apply rules step by step. Work on problem sets that test each technique and revisit mistakes the same day. Gradually combine topics in mixed exercises to simulate exam conditions and reinforce retention. In this video, I will explain how to study calculus for JEE. Quick recommendation. Bento box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers that seal tightly and save time between study sessions. They stack neatly, keep food fresh, and cut down kitchen cleanup so you can study uninterrupted. If you like this tip, subscribe and like the video, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to study calculus for JEE. Choose curated problem books and past papers to gain exposure and pattern recognition. Schedule timed practice sessions and analyze errors immediately to avoid repeating them. Use solution walkthroughs to learn efficient methods and shortcuts, then rewrite key problems from memory. Keep a mistake log and revisit it weekly to convert weaknesses into strengths and track progress.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.